Simplify. Example 2x plus 3y whole cube. Answer. Here we use a plus b whole cube formula is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b is the formula. Here a is 2x and b is 3y. Therefore this equal to a cube. A is 2x whole cube plus b cube. B is 3y whole cube plus 3ab. 3 into a 2x b 3y into bracket a. A is 2x plus b is 3y. 2 cube is 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. X cube plus 3 cube. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 y cube plus 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18 xy into 2x plus 3y. This equal to 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 18 into 2, 18 2 is 36 x into x square y as it is plus 18 3 is 54 x as it is. Here y into y square is answer.